Learn right now how to turn wood into marble. You're going to save thousands in any kitchen or bathroom renovation. Stay tuned. Enjoy the video. Can you believe you can make this? Guys, visit us at stonecoatcountertops.com to see all the products used in this video.